Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need an admin-signed Chromebook and the Settings app open. Start there. Once in Settings, go to Advanced, then Accessibility. This exposes keyboard features. Make sure full keyboard access is enabled so you can remap keys. If you prefer caps lock behavior, toggle that option now. These steps unlock the controls. They let you change what keys do without extensions. With those prerequisites complete, move to the Keyboard Customization panel to reassign key. Now you're in Device, right arrow keyboard where Chromebook lists top row and modifier keys. Click a keys drop-down to map it to Escape, Back, or Launcher. This is faster than extensions. For precision, use Search and Shortcuts, then keyboard shortcuts to create or edit app-specific combos. If you need function keys, toggle the top row behavior. Once you finish remapping, test keys in a text editor and a browser to confirm they perform the new actions you assigned. Finish by restarting the Chromebook so settings fully apply. This often resolves transient conflicts. Make sure to test across apps. Some web apps ignore system-level remaps. If a key still misbehaves, reset keyboard settings to default and reconfigure only the essential mappings. Also try guest mode or another user account to see if the issue is profile-specific. If nothing helps, consider a power wash as a last resort. Backup data first, because that clears corruption that can block keybind changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.